Time to play in some mud. This will be pretty much the first run with these pit bull rock beasts on there. See how they do in the mud. Just bored, been wanting to play, and been pretty bad weather, so haven't been able to. So I'm gonna play around in the mud. This is also the first time running this motor. I have no idea what it is. It was in my junk box and I found it, and the brushes were ate up pretty bad, and actually one of them was missing, and I took the back half off of the DeWalt motor, the back half with the brushes and everything, and put on this one, and I'm guessing it to be around the 20 turn. It's a lot faster than the 27 turn, and got some torque to it, but not a whole lot, especially not compared to the DeWalt motor or the 27 turn. But just put it in there, play around with it, see what it was like. I may actually do a video of that soon, of how I swapped the back half with the brushes and everything. And another thing, I also moved the battery up front with this Wrangler body, though. The battery won't fit if it's properly installed. You have to actually use different spacers for the battery tray, so it's angled lower in the front and higher towards the back of the battery tray, so the body will fit. Otherwise that body won't fit at all, and it kind of bows the front of the grill out just a little bit. I don't know if you can tell it, just a little bit right there. Bowed out a little bit because the body's too small for having a battery up front. And also took a small plastic container I had and filled it with fish weights, lead weights, and put on the rear where the battery was. And I tried to even them up in weight as much as possible to the battery. Seems like it weighs a ton now. Enough talking, right? Let's get it muddy. Oh, come on. Almost made it. I'm surprised. The last time I tried that, it wouldn't even make it halfway up it. The battery up front does make a huge difference. If you can keep it from doing that. And I do have a faster motor in there, so. Whoa. Well, I'm trying to take it easy. Oh, yeah. Oh, shit. Alright, I broke that container off that was holding the weights. Dang, that motor smells really hot too. A little plastic box here with a fish weight stuck in it in the bag so they wouldn't rattle it around a lot. I was hoping. Obviously, need to improve that a little bit. I think that's about it. They do pretty well in the mud. Pitbull Rock Beast 1.9s. I know they make several different types. I'm not sure which one it is. I just know they're Pitbull 1.9s, and that motor I built, I'll probably, like I said, do a video of that. Show you guys the inside and out, and especially the inside of that DeWalt motor was pretty impressive of how big it was. It's I'd class it about a 700 size or something like that. It's pretty big. It's same size can diameter of a 550, 540, but it's about a half-inch longer. But I also moved the battery up front, and I guess that was about it. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.